GameStop, I saw this story. Apparently, GameStop is looking for a crypto expert. They're hiring a new position. They're also supposedly looking for a new CEO. And, well, GameStop, we know about GameStop. We followed the GameStop story.
Yeah, a lot of changes.
So they put out a job advertisement, I think. They're looking for a security analyst who must have skills and experience in blockchain, cryptocurrency, or non-fungible tokens, otherwise known as NFTs. Other desirable skills for the candidates include machine learning, artificial intelligence, e-commerce, cloud platforms, esports, malware analysis, and threat intelligence. That's a job description for somebody at GameStop's HQ in Texas. And this got people speculating on what their future plans are. And I was thinking, okay, you got into the PC hardware, right? And we all thought, perfect, yeah.
Yeah, sell peripherals, hardware.
Makes sense.
On your website.
Makes sense. You go online and you embrace the Amazon mentality, but with a greater degree of specification. Kind of like maybe Newegg or something.
Yeah.
But what's another way in which you can immediately differentiate yourself from Amazon? Embrace crypto. Be one of the first. I mean, these two communities seem sort of somehow entangled. And I'm not necessarily saying you got to immediately start accepting crypto. We all know the complexity, counting complexity in doing something like this. But even having individuals that are knowledgeable of the scene, you can imagine ways in which, like, I mean, you saw in this description also knowing about esports. You start to think about collectibles. GameStop was interested in like bobbleheads and comic stuff and anime stuff. And no, you know what I'm saying though?
Yeah. There's a certain culture to that.
Could they also be involved in managing an enormous inventory? Could they become an NFT marketplace?
Yeah.
For collectibles, I don't,
Yeah. Pop culture NFTs.
All of a sudden you start thinking about it, like, man, maybe GameSpot, if they make the right moves.
GameStop.
What did I say?
GameSpot.
Oh, GameSpot's a different one.
Yeah.
That's
like
I used to read.
Spotify.
I used to read that website.
Yeah.
When I was a kid, they were one of the biggest. Them and IGN. Yeah, GameStop. They can embrace their new memedom.
Yes.
And just like go full out.
Yes.
Full digital, like the most futuristic company you can interact with for all this variety of things. And now that's obviously not going to be easy, and it's not without its risk. But these are the type of people that they're looking for. If that happens to be you, you might be moving to Grapevine, Texas.
Yeah.
If that happens to be you.
That's a great idea.
Anyway.